My name is Divinely Cool, and I support this message. Time to get started on this. Well, how does the song go? Makeover, makeover, makeover. It's time to have the lovely mom with us today. We don't have the lovely Marshall, the great Marty. We don't have her today, but we have thing one and thing two. So we about to just start off with the sanding. Bad boy sanded. I think I have a sander somewhere that I stole from my dad. This is our sandpaper here. These are our cabinets. Should I tell y'all what color I'm gonna paint them now, or do y'all just want to be surprised? I put a poll up on Instagram. You guys help me choose colors. If you know, you know. We might have to make a Home Depot run because this sandpaper isn't really like doing what I need it to do. And it's weird because like I didn't ask anybody for help, but it was in the sandpaper area, like next to the paint and stuff, like they're in the same area. But it's just like I bought the right stuff, like I know I did, but it doesn't feel strong enough. And they had like numbers on it. So I got 120 because I'm like, I don't want to scrub crazy. Oh, actually, I got 150. It's sandpaper. Oh, drywall.
One day later.
So apparently I got to make this kind of fast because I only have 8 minutes to record. So I didn't have this last time. I think I have a machine, but I could not find it, and I really did not look for it. But I didn't have this last time when sanding the kitchen cabinets, so if you haven't seen that video.
Are the actual like sanding pads, I guess you'll call them?
They attach onto here. So this is what I got done so far. Not a lot because I didn't have this. I took a day break. I had to go to the gym. Just had to do some knee stuff. Hey y'all, so I gotta make this really quick because the battery is about to die. So it is day 2 of me sanding. I'm already over it. I literally got dust everywhere. It was all in the shower. So now I'm about to start sanding in my room. I planned on literally taking everything out of my room, but technical difficulty, so we're not doing that. I just decided to cover up everything. So I have a huge sheet over everything. As you can see, I got sheets right here. I have a sheet inside of here. I took everything out of the closet. So now we're just about to start sanding. For the most part, these are already done, which I'm pretty happy about. So let me show you my room. I don't know if I should really show you this, But it's gonna be like the big reveal, right? So this is how the room's looking. So the plan is to get these up here fixed, because I still have not done that. But yeah, I just got everything just kind of covered up in hopes that I don't get much dust on everything. But once I start sanding up here, hey, that's us. Once I start sanding up here, I'm just gonna take the bed totally out. So these will probably be the ones I work on last, just due to, you know, dusty reasons. Something we're not. Eventually I have to start working on these doors. Yeah. This door over here is painted white, but I don't want you guys to be like, oh, I think I know what color he's gonna paint it, because I'm not. That's not the color I'm painting anymore. Change our mind. And I still have to sand these, and I still have to sand this. So just wish me luck, y'all. Got a lot of work to do. Probably gonna at least take like, I don't know how long this is gonna take.